Welcome to NAB Academy.
Hi people, welcome to another lesson. So in today's lesson we are going to focus on how to create a chart. Okay, so that is what we are going to look at today. Now I want us to begin with defining a chart. Okay, so a chart is defined as a tool you can use to communicate data graphically. Okay, so that is how we can define a chart, okay, as a tool that can be used to communicate data graphically. Okay, so that is how we can define a chart. Now, the other question that I want us to answer is that why is it important to present data using charts? Okay, now what happens that times when we have large numbers, and you know large numbers are not easy to understand. Okay, so by presenting, it's very important that we present data using graphs or charts. Okay, let's see how we can create a chart. Okay, let's see how we can create a chart from this data that we have here. So the first thing that you are supposed to do is to select the data. Okay, so I'm going to select my data, okay, like that. Okay, so once you have selected the data that you want to use, now go to the insert tab, because that's where charts are found. Okay, so once you are on the insert tab, be in the charts group. Okay, because this ribbon is divided into groups, so now you're supposed to be in the charts group. Now Microsoft Excel offers different types of charts that you can use. Okay, so you can find the column charts, you can find the line charts, you can find the pie charts, you can as well find the line charts and the area charts, and many more other types of charts that you can create. Okay, so for today we are going to create a column chart. Okay, so I'm going to click on that pattern because that's where we can find the column charts. So once you click there, you are going to see this. So you are going to have 2D. You have 2D columns charts, and we also have 3D column charts. So you can choose either to create a 2D column chart or a 3D column chart. So for me, I'm going to create a 2D column chart, see, and I want that one there. Okay, okay, and what is the name for that one? Cluster D column. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. Okay, now once you have created a chart, the new tab here is going to appear. Okay, the tab called the design tab. Okay, and this tab comes with other types of chart designs that you can use. Okay, so if you are not happy with this design, you can choose other designs which are here. Okay, and you can choose any of these. Okay, so that's what you can do. Okay, now when you look at when I look at my chart here, I think it has a lot of things. So there are things that I don't need there. Okay, so now if there are things that you don't want to be on the chart, you can modify the chart to make it the way you want it. Okay, so for me, I'm not interested in the individual subjects here, like what people got in each subject. All I'm interested in is the total marks for each one of them. So I'm going to eliminate these subjects from my chart there. Okay, so I'm going to move my cursor at the corner there. Okay, and please observe this cursor. Okay, when it changes like that, when it is like that, now you can press the left button of your mouse, and while pressing you move. Okay, so that you can remove those columns that you don't want. Okay, so I'm removing the subject so that I can just remain with the total. Okay, so I think you can see that now I have removed these subjects. All what has remained is the total and the names. Okay, that is what I have there. So I'm sure you have seen how you can do that. Okay, you can just do that, move, and you remain with the column that you want. Okay, so that is how we can eliminate, or how we can remove some of the information that we don't want to be on the chart. Okay, now like I said, that you can choose any of the style here, the chart style from these templates that we have there. Okay, now if you don't like any of these, you can also customize the chart okay, by just double clicking on it. When you double click on it, you are going to see this is going to appear. Okay, so once this appears, you can fill the chart with any color that you want. Okay, so right now there is no fill, so I'm going to go on the solid fill. Okay, you click there and you see that at the moment we have that color there. Okay, so you can choose whichever color that you want to be on your chart there. Okay, from this option here, solid fill. Okay, so you can get any color from there. You can get any color of your choice. Okay, so that is what you can do. Okay, if you are not happy with this, or if you don't like this, you can go to the gradient view. Okay, and you can see what is there. Okay, if you are not happy with that, you can go to the picture or texture view. You click there, and you're going to your chart is going to appear like that. Go to the pattern view. Okay, so it is going to appear like that, and you can also choose from these other patterns there. Okay, now for me, I want to have picture or texture view. Okay, so that is what I want. Okay, so you can as well make your chart to be a 2D chart or a 3D chart. Okay, so how do you do that? You go to where it says effects, okay, on the next button. So just click there. Okay, and now you can just choose from these. Okay, either this one. Okay, you can see the way the chart is changing. Okay, you can just choose from any of these. Okay, can choose from any of these just to make your chart look okay more advanced. Okay, so that is how you can make the chart. Okay, we can even give the chart a title there. Okay, what can we give it? I think we can say grade 9, the same title that we have there, grade 9 term 1 results. Okay, so that is how we can create a chart. Okay, so that's how we can create a chart. Okay, so I hope you have followed me nicely. Okay, if you have any question, please just write your question under the comments there. I'll be able to respond to you. Okay, thank you so much. If you have watched my video for the first time and you have not subscribed, please do so that we can move together. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.
Share, like, and subscribe.